Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can do the Paperman AI trend on TikTok. Okay, so for that, if you are looking for the filter in TikTok, you will not get the effect here in TikTok because this is a CapCut effect. So what you have to do, just go to App Store or Play Store and download this app CapCut. And once you have the app, what you can do, okay, just visit my profile. Okay, in my profile you will see a playlist named CapCut template. Okay, the first video, you will see this video. On the bottom left corner of the video you will see the template. Just I want to try this template. Okay, so you will be directed to this page. Now tap on use template in CapCut. You will be directed to CapCut. Wait for it. Okay, so you will come to this video. Now tap on use AI template at the bottom of the screen. Okay, you need to browse a picture from your camera roll. Okay, let me go with this one. Hit next. Now you can tap on export and you can share it to TikTok. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can do this trend on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.